2022 Audi Q7, installing the Tekonsha ZCI trailer module. So basically it has inductive sensors rather than patching into the wires, which could cause error codes to come up for the lights. So basically I mounted it in the trunk lid, in behind the wiper module / motor. Comes with a double-sided tape. Wrapped up the excess with harness tape. So we got the right turn signal on, what is that? That's black and blue. So the right signal inductor, let's get that to focus. Black and blue, right side. And then we've got the tail light induction sensor on, that is gray, sorry, that's white with gray tracer. And then we've got the left turn on black with blue tracer, left side there. So the tricky part was hooking up the brake inductive sensor, because there's two lights in here and there's one light in there, basically one light set, and when you hit the brakes, it's either the top or the bottom one turns on, but then it also it also flashes with the turn signal. So if you flip the turn signal on the right side and you have the inductive sensor on the brake light, it picks up the turn signal and then it flashes the brake light. Anyways, that's confusing. So the easiest way to get around that was to patch into the third brake light. And I basically just ran a loop from the third brake light up to here. And then you can put your stop wire inductor right there. I'm going to tie that all up. This isn't finished yet. I got to snip all these zip ties and whatever, neaten it up. And then for the power wire, it runs along here. All zip tied up nice. Comes in here, comes to the side so that it can flex without tearing. Runs down along, in through all the trim panels, in underneath the battery. And there we go, we got our fuse right there. Nice and neat, ready to roll. Hopefully that helps somebody out there. This was a little bit of a headache. I kind of didn't know what to do when when you're turning on the left signal and then the right signal will go on at the same time, because it was like backfeeding through the brake circuit because of the way these tails are wired. But that was a nice little solution that I thought of that worked in this situation. Just running that loop off of the third brake light, basically just cut it and run it in series so that it can sense it. All right, thanks for watching.